Hello friends! Hola amigos! Welcome to AriPop! Today we are going on safari and we will try to solve a sound mystery. Are you ready to join me? Let's go!
AriPop, come on, let's go. El mundo entero todo quien let's go.
Explorers! Listen carefully. There are bananas hidden everywhere on the safari.
Bananas, my favorite.
Here is the rule. Every time you see a banana, shout as loud as you can. Banana!
Banana!
Perfecto, explorers. Keep your eyes open. You never know where one might be hiding. And now our safari sound mystery begins. But wait, I need to change my clothes. Now I'm ready.
Well, I'll just wear this. I don't wear clothes.
That's fine as long.
Too loud! Too loud!
Explorers, we need to find out which animal is making that sound. Come with me.
We're going on safari, come along today. Animals are waiting, let's all say hooray. With AriPop and dazzle on too. Adventure time is here for you. Safari, safari, let's go explore. Safari, safari, vamos explorar. Elephants, lions, monkeys we see. So many friends for you and me. Hear the roar of lions, trumpets in the air. See the giraffes walking tall, so rare. With AriPop, we sing along. Come together in this song. Safari, safari, let's go explore. Safari, safari, vamos explorar. Elephants, lions, monkeys we see. So many friends for you and me. AriPop is leading the way. On safari we laugh and play.
I hear a trumpet. Who could it be? A lion? A monkey? Or maybe something with a huge trunk? Nice try, Azulon. But look! An elephant! Un elefante! Can you say it with me? Elefante! Perfecto, explorers! An elephant is big, grande. Elefante is big, grande. Un elefante es grande. An elephant is big. Explorers, let's pretend your arm is a trunk. Swing side to side.
Yeah, that doesn't sound like an elephant either.
No, you're right, but it's fun to pretend.
Banana!
Whoa, explorers, you found a banana! Great job! Keep looking. There might be more bananas hiding on our safari. But Azulon, look! I see something else. Eating high up in the trees. Wow, a giraffe. Una jirafa. Jirafa. Can you say it with me? Jirafa, good job!
Banana!
Whoa, you spotted another banana. Keep counting. How many bananas have we found so far?
2 bananas.
Yes, 2. Dos bananas.
See a giraffe so tall, so high, stretching up, reaching for the sky. Long, long neck and legs so strong. Let's all grow tall and sing along. Tall giraffe, up, up, up. Jirafa alta, arriba, arriba, arriba. Short monkey, down, down, down. Jirafa bajito, abajo, abajo, abajo. I see a monkey small and quick, climbing trees and doing tricks, jumping low and swinging free. Come on, amigos, sing with me. Tall giraffe, up, up, up. Jirafa alta, arriba, arriba, arriba. Short monkey, down, down, more. Mono bajito, abajo, abajo, abajo. Tall giraffe, up, up, up. Jirafa alta, arriba, arriba, arriba. Short monkey, down, down, down. Mono bajito, abajo, abajo, abajo.
Whoa! I hear a roar. But don't be scared. It might be our next animal.
Too scary. Too scary.
Don't worry, Azulón. It's our friend, the lion. El león. León. Can you say it? León. León means lion en español. Muy bien. A lion has a big roar. Un rugido grande. That was too big, Azulón.
Banana!
Fantástico! Another banana! You are amazing at finding them. Keep count. Don't lose track.
Why does the lion have a banana? Lions don't even like bananas.
Good question, Azulón. Maybe we will find out later. Wait. I see something with stripes in the grass. Who could it be? Look, explorers! A zebra! Una cebra! Can you say zebra? Say it with me. Zebra. Now in Spanish. Cebra. Cebra! Perfecto! A zebra is white with black stripes. Or black with white stripes. What do you think?
Wait, black with white or white with black? My head is spinning.
Banana!
Wow, explorers! You even found a banana hiding in the zebra stripes? Incredible!
A zebra with a banana? That's the silliest zebra I've ever seen.
Run, run, run like a zebra fast. Through the grass we're racing past. Clippity-clop, the hooves go loud. Zebras running, what a crowd. Run, run, run like a zebra go. corre, corre, corre como una cebra. Vamos, stop, 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 freeze just so. Para, quédate quieto. Stripes of black and stripes of white. Zebras are running left and right. Quick and clever, side by side. Gallop, gallop, what a ride. Run, run, run like a zebra, go. Corre, corre, corre como una cebra. Vamos, stop, 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 freeze just so. Para, quédate quieto. Can you stomp your feet like zebras? Stomp, stomp, stomp. Now freeze like a statue. Freeze. Run, run, run like a zebra, go. Stop, 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 freeze just so. Run, run, run like a zebra, go. Stop, 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 freeze just so. Zebra friends, we laugh and play. Corre Cebra cada día.
Wow! That was so much fun! You are so fast, like zebras! Wait! I hear something! Probably it's somebody that loves bananas. It's a monkey! Mono! Monkey! Mono! Muy bien! A monkey loves to be silly and play.
Banana! Banana!
Whoa! 2 bananas at once! You are amazing! How many bananas have we found so far? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In English, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 bananas. That's enough for a monkey party.
Yes, I think the bananas belong to our monkey friend. Let's keep going. Maybe we will find even more. Explorers! Look! A hippo! Un hipopótamo! Hipopótamo!
Whoa! That mouth is huge.
Say it with me. Hippo! Hippo! And in Spanish, hipopótamo. Fantástico! Hippos love the water. They splash and blow bubbles.
Banana!
That's silly. Explorers, you have found so many bananas already. But who do you think they are for? Today we discovered an elephant, un elefante, elefante, elephant, giraffe, jirafa, jirafa, giraffe, lion, león, león, lion, zebra, 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 monkey, mono, mono, monkey, hippo, hipopótamo, hipopótamo, hippo.
Banana! Banana!
Ay, look at all these bananas. Where did they come from? Of course, all the bananas we found were for our friend, the monkey, el mono. Great job, explorers! You solved the safari sound mystery and you found all the bananas! You are amazing!
Elephant, Elefante, swing your trunk. Giraffe, Jirafa, stretch up high. Lion, León, roar so loud. Zebra, Zebra, run, run, run. Safari friends together, dance and play. Amigos del safari, vamos a bailar. With AriPop we shout, ole. Con AriPop cantamos, hooray. Monkey, mono, swing your arms. Hippo, hippopótamo, splash around. All our friends are here today. Sing and dance the AriPop way. Safari friends together, dance and play. Amigos del safari, vamos a bailar. With AriPop we shout, ole. Con AriPop cantamos, hooray. Who's got a trunk? Elefante. Who's so tall? Jirafa. Who can roar? León. Who runs fast? Cebra. Who swings high? Mono. Who splashes big? Hipopótamo. Safari friends together, dance and play. With AriPop we laugh today. Safari friends forever, hooray, hooray. AriPop y amigos, ole, ole.
Thank you, explorer, for joining us today on the safari sound mystery. Which animal was your favorite?
All of them, but especially the monkey's bananas.
Remember, the adventure doesn't end here. Visit us at AriPopTV.com for free games, activities, and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time on AriPop. Adios!
Goodbye, my friends, it's time to go. Adios, amigos, don't you know? The sun will shine and the stars will glow. We'll meet again before you know. See you later.